Okay, welcome back everybody to the Dream Whisperer of Jesus. Little eagle, nice to see. I hope all my viewers are doing well. Sorry I haven't put anything on YouTube for the last week. Oh, he's off. Where's he going? Going to catch a rabbit somewhere. Up in the tree. Okay, I'll let it sit peacefully there and keep an eye out for rabbits. Oh, look at that, so beautiful. Thank you, Jesus. Sorry, my camera's shaky. Oh, it's a freezing day in Canberra today. We've had some rain. It's absolutely freezing. The sun is out, but it's freezing. Probably the wind chill somewhere around 0 to 10 degrees, I'd say. I hope all my viewers and subscribers are doing well, and pray for God's blessing on everyone's life. Oh, I'm sorry, my shaky camera. Okay, God bless you everyone. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.